Okay, as promised, this is the next step. This is where we build the box beam. This is the structural component. The box beam is what keeps everything firmly up against the ceiling and creates that really good seal that you're looking for remediation work. You see, I've just spread out all the metal brackets, and then one by one, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck them into these loops here that we've installed for you. Three of them are black. Those are the ones in the center. And then at the edges, you'll notice they change. And instead of one, there are two, and they're red. This is because they're a little different. This is actually where you're going to connect the foot of your tension pole. And in this case, you'll recognize that from the stuff you probably have in your own inventory. You're going to see I tucked that underneath the webbing, slip the strips in between those two studs there, and then attach the black connector, which has the socket on there, to it. Once you've done that on both sides, you're going to go ahead and connect these buckles in the middle. I find it's easier to start with the middle and work your way out. That's what you're seeing me do here. When I get to the edge, you're going to go ahead and adjust this specialized ladder lock that we have for you. It's this red clip at the top. It has a hole in the middle. And once you've made the basic adjustments and snugged everything up, you just want to make sure that that center hole is lined up with the socket. That's really important for later parts of this process. We'll get to that a little bit later. Once again, going to go back in there, make sure everything's nice and secure. I did both sides, the final buckle, and now you're done. It's nice and ready to be put up. It's structurally sound. It's going to do a great job for you. We'll move on to the next process, which is attaching the poles.